Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into a skincare essential that's been making waves for its impressive results. Get ready to say goodbye to dark spots and hello to radiant skin with the Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum. If you've been on the hunt for the best skin dark spot remover, look no further. The Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum is a powerhouse packed with 15% pure vitamin C, specifically designed to target dullness, dryness, fine lines, and uneven skin tone. With its potent combination of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, this serum not only brightens and evens out your complexion but also provides much-needed hydration for a radiant, youthful glow. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about the results they've seen with this serum. From decreased hyperpigmentation to improved skin tone and texture, the reviews speak for themselves. One customer even mentioned, "I've tried everything on YouTube to get rid of, but this is the only product that has worked for me." And here's something that sets Vichy apart: their commitment to sustainability. Not only is this serum packed with powerful ingredients, but it's also manufactured using processes that reduce the risk of negative environmental impact. Plus, it's certified by Cradle to Cradle, ensuring that it's made with safer chemicals for both human health and the planet. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate this serum into your skincare routine. Simply apply 4 to 5 drops onto cleansed skin in the morning before your SPF and other serums. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed without any greasy residue. You might be wondering, what sets this serum apart from others on the market? Well, it's all about the ingredients and formulation. While other serums may promise similar results, the Vichy LiftActiv serum boasts a high concentration of active vitamin C, ensuring maximum effectiveness with every use. So there you have it, folks. If you're ready to say goodbye to dark spots and hello to radiant, youthful skin, give the Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum a try. With its potent formula, sustainable manufacturing practices, and glowing customer reviews, it's truly the best skin dark spot remover out there. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!